This is one of the simplest ways to make money online because it doesn't require any prior knowledge, selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. If you stick with me through the rest of the video, you'll be able to make a lot more money because I'll show you 3 more websites where you can earn money. We demonstrate the simplest way to make money online. You can easily make $1,000 every day with this amazing money-making method. If PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to use it, I'll show you how to choose from alternative payment options. If you don't want to receive the money through PayPal, you can choose from a variety of other payment methods such as bank transfer and more. But let's get back to the video and begin with step 1 by visiting www.google.com. This will take less than 20 minutes. Step 2 is to look up Google News. In this location, you may find the most recent news and articles. This website has news on politics, business, technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, and anything else you can think of. It's similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything on it. The categories are all listed on the left, along with global news, which covers current events around the world. Local news is also listed, but we won't cover it because we only want to talk about health, technology, science, and sport, business and entertainment. Let's look at this page and see what we can find. This article that was recently published seems interesting to me, and it's a pretty nice piece that a lot of people would like to read, so all we have to do now is open up this article. Don't worry, you won't have to write any articles and you won't have to sell anything, and this has absolutely no affiliate links. Now, for example, if we pick the health category, we will be presented with all of the most recent news and articles. You must paste the writing you read on Google News into this box, which is the website we'll be utilizing to help us rewrite. You can then use these articles on 3 different websites to make money, which I will provide to you. These websites will pay you for your contributions. Some of them will pay you $1 for each word you write, as you can see. Such articles can have thousands of words, which can make you a lot of money anyhow once you've discovered it. You can then take that original and rewritten content and sell it on the following 3 websites to get paid. We will first go to Spinbot to paraphrase our article. All you need to do is take the article and copy-paste it and then select Spin It. It will paraphrase your article. Now do this human puzzle verification by sliding the piece to align it with the puzzle. Now that will rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is nearly identical but different words are used. It's rewriting it in your own terms and using synonyms. Anyways, now go to eatingwell.com, the first website, after clicking the Spin It button to rewrite the text. On the first website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means that if you get an article with 500 words, you can get paid $500 for that piece, and it took you less than 20 minutes to copy and paste. There are 2 more websites I still have for you that will do the labor-intensive work for you. You can easily write original and high-quality articles using Google News and Spinbot, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. Simply copy their email address, go to your email, and send them an email with the subject "submission," "content submission," or something similar, and attach the file containing your article that you wrote. They will check your email after you submit it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. Alternatively, you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is highly recommended if you wish. The same can be said for other payment methods. Because new stories in Google News are added every few hours, your options are practically endless. You can use these articles to submit to these websites and then rewrite them using a Spinbot, copy them into a Word document, save them to your computer, or any combination of these methods. The second website where you can post your content is sierraclub.org, where you can also contribute articles. You can submit your articles to this website by simply following the contact instructions provided on their website. You can copy this and paste it into your email along with the contact information by sending an email to this address. You can submit more than just health articles to sierraclub.org, as you did with eatingwell.com, so go ahead and open a tech-related article, copy the text, paste it into Spinbot, let them rewrite it, and send it to sierraclub.org's email address. Alternatively, you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is highly recommended. This website will pay you a little less, but it's still a great one to use because it enables you to maximize your outcomes while also earning some extra money. The best thing about this website is that they only request up to 2,000 words from you and pay you roughly 31 cents per word. Although this isn't as much as the other 2 websites, it's still a good deal because it adds up quickly overall. You can make more money if you submit more articles to these websites. Of course, not every submission will be accepted, but even if you only get 1 per day, that's still hundreds of dollars. Finally, the last website is daily.jsstore.org. Every day, just by copying and pasting, it was all free, and you can start utilizing this technique immediately. Go to Google News, Select a category from the menu on the left, find an article you like, open it, copy the content, use spinbot to make it unique, and then submit it. You can continue in this manner indefinitely and earn a sizable sum of money by doing so. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.